uh, 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 mm, country leaders out there, I'm about to ask you to abide by Kim rules and regulations of his country. Everything is new. Everything's new. It's even new for him. It's new for everybody. So everybody just, you know what? You go over there, everybody just be in a pack. Be in a pack. You have meat and stuff like that there. And then after the meeting, whatever, you know what I'm saying, then you go back to your respectable countries. But while you're over there, you know, do me a favor at least, you know what I'm saying, stay in the pack and just abide by his rules and regulations of his country. Appreciate it. Yeah.